Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get admin commands in Steal a Brain Roblox. Join the game's official Roblox group for rank perks. Now, message the developer or staff politely to ask about mod roles. Here, help by reporting bugs or making useful contributions. Then, buy official admin ranks only if sold on the game's Roblox page. To request admin the right way, write a short, respectful intro message with your username. After that, attach examples of relevant work. Follow any application steps they give and submit the required info. Stay patient, professional, and keep contributing if declined. Next, learn Roblox Studio Basics and Lua scripting. Now, create a server-side whitelist using Roblox user IDs. Implement server-only admin commands. Lastly, test in a private place, log admin actions, then publish securely. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.